Hello everybody, I'm David Rutledge with MDR Rentals, and today we're going to do a tutorial on our Snorkel 3219 19-foot scissor lift. This is a super simple machine, but we do have some issues. People take it out and they don't know how to operate it. So I want to give you a quick tutorial on where to start and how to work everything. First thing we need to look at is right here. This is our charging port to charge the machine. Every evening, when you got it on a job site, I recommend you plug it up. That way next morning it's 100% charged. You know for sure that you don't have a battery problem. This plug here, and we'll zoom in on this and get a little closer look, but I'm just this overview. This plug here, you plug your cord in here, you'll have power on your platform to run a machine, a light, a drill, whatever 110 corded item you're using, it'll plug in up there and you'll be able to run it on the platform without dragging your cord up over the side, risking it getting pinched or run over or anything like that. Next is our electrical disconnect. In this position, this machine has no power. In order to power up the machine, you want to kick to the right. You want to put your key in here, and you want to turn the key one click for your e-stop, and that'll give you power to your platform. You can run it from the control box on the platform. If you hold it to the right, beeps. We got a toggle switch right here above the e-stop. You can push it up, and the machine will go up. You hold that key all the way to the right, you push it down, it'll lower the machine. From this position, you cannot drive the machine. When you're in this position, don't put your hands in here and get squished. Make sure you're clear of all moving parts. You don't want to lose a finger because you know, absent-mindedly put your hand up here and got squished, lose a hand, finger, and limb. So in the first click, e-stop pulled, keys in the first click, e-stop pulled here. Let's go look at the platform. When you're getting on and off, you push them all the way open and click that. Push it all the way. One person, give me a break. Click, it'll hold it open. I do not recommend operating this with those doors open. You need a harness and you need these doors closed at all times, especially if you're going up high. On your harness, you need to use the appropriate tie down areas. You got one here, one here at the back, and also one over here. You're not supposed to tie off to the rail itself. I know people do, but that's not what they're for. But anyway, next we're gonna go to our control box. You've got your e-stop, pull your e-stop. Now we're in business. If this is in, this machine doesn't do anything. Once you pull the e-stop out, now we have power. It'll beep, let you know. Horn, this is your switch to tell you what you're gonna do. Either going up and down is to the left, driving is to the right. To go up and down, you simply squeeze the trigger and pull it back. As you do that, we go up. Now to go down, it's just the opposite. Squeeze the trigger, push it forward, and we'll go back down to the ground level. To drive, once we get down here, you simply switch this to drive mode. Same thing, squeeze the trigger, push it forward, and you go forward. The harder you push it forward, the faster you're gonna go. Same thing for reverse. Squeeze the trigger, ease it back, and you'll start easing back. Pull it harder, you'll go faster. Just like that. To turn, same thing. Squeeze the trigger, and then these two buttons up top. The one on the right turns it to the right. You see the wheels? Now you hit the other button to turn it to the left and watch the wheels. If you don't have this trigger squeezed, it won't do anything. It won't drive, it won't go up, down, it won't do anything. So make sure, also if you got it forward and then squeeze, it won't do anything. Backward and then squeeze, it doesn't do anything. You have to squeeze and then pull it or push it. Otherwise it will not operate. This here's the 110 plug I was telling you about, or 120, whatever you call it. I'm gonna plug something in here and show y'all how that works. Here's a up close view. It's your e-stop. Pull it to operate, push it in to stop it. Pull it out. Use your key. Off is all the way to the left. One click powers your platform. Hold it, and this toggle switch here is how you move the machine up, down. As illustrated by this sticker, this port gives you power to your platform. This port charges. I'll show y'all in a minute. I'll put a plug cord in so y'all can see. This here is your disconnect. If it is in that position, this machine will not run. It clearly states on and off. In the off position, nothing works. Click it to on, everything will work. All right, so that's a basic overview of how to run the machine, what the controls do, what the lower controls do. Now we're going to go over charging and providing power to the machine. So if you want to provide power up here, I've got a light plugged in up here. You'll take your cord and you'll plug this is a 110 cord. Just plug in your cord right here. You plug in your device at the plug up there. And push the button. And that's it. You got power up there. That way you don't have to drag this cord all the way up here and risk getting pinched and all that good stuff. To charge it, opposite side, there's another plug here. Plug it in. Can't see it. Alright. Plug it in. Once this is plugged in, these lights will kick on. It's got to go through its little process, but it'll eventually show you. I have the power off when I'm charging. We'll go through a little process here and it'll say, so this machine, according to this charger, these batteries are at less than 50% right now because it's flashing. Once it gets to 50%, it'll go solid, and then your 75% will start blinking. And once they're all three solid, that means you got 100% charge. So that's a basic overview on how to run your Snorkel 3219. If you have any questions, you still can't get to work after watching this video, give us a call, 409-455-1062, and we can try to help you out as best we can. Y'all have a great day.